Okay, so for this problem, remember when I say f g of x, I'm really saying f times g of x. So what does that mean? Well, I'm going to say f of x times g of x. And I think it just helps to write out each little step. Bless you. So now what is f of x? Now we talked about this yesterday. This is just a name, right? F is just a name because this is an algebraic expression, or equation is a better way to put it. And this is just an expression. So if I say what's f of x, you should look up at the board and know that it's 8x cubed. And if I say what's g of x, then you should know that look up at the board and say, oh, here's g of x. Oh, it's this stuff here. So what we're going to do is we're going to say f of x, which is 8x cubed, times g of x, which is negative 2x to the 3 halves. So now the easiest thing to do here is we're going to, well, I shouldn't say easy. It trivializes all the stuff you have to keep track of. So we're going to multiply the numbers by the numbers, right? So what's 8 times negative 2? Negative 16. And then I've got x cubed times x to this thing. So really, because they have the same base, I could think of that as x raised to the whole 3 plus 3 halves. Well, in order for me to add that up, I'm going to need a common denominator. So the common denominator is 2, so isn't that the same? Isn't 3 the same as 6 over 2? So then when I add this up, I get negative 16x raised to the 9 halves, right? Because 6 plus 3 is 9. And then you keep the common denominator. So then we would say that f g of x is all this stuff. That's our final answer. Yes?
How do they want us